Page 124, Michael rolled the boat ashore. Now on the previous pages they give you some new material. Let's talk about that. We're in the key of F major. F major has one flat, a B flat. You see the B flat at the beginning of the staff. That means all the B's, no matter where they're at, are automatically flat. Well, that's fine. This is time to go do my scale video on F major. And while you're at it, you just as well go ahead and do the scale on D minor, because it's the same key signature. It's got one flat also. So just do both scales. One octave up and down, do the beginner portion. On page 122, they talk about the important chords for F major. F chord, then the B flat chord. That sounds ugly, it's not just here. Just got a B flat in it. And the C7 chord also has a B flat in it. These are the most important chords in the key of F major. You need to know these. So you're going to see them a lot, but just be aware of them. The idea is if you see the chord name above the staff like that, that's the chord, and that's probably the arrangement of the notes. It doesn't have to be, but that's the chord you're going to play for that. Now for Michael roll the boat thingy, this is in 4/4 time. And this is just a reading exercise, just to read music. We need lots of practice of reading music. So, treble and bass clef, and this is in the key of F major. Got one flat, so all of the B's are flatted wherever they are. 2B pickup. Watch the fingering in the right hand. It's a 1, 2, 4. That's because we need a little finger on the D in a little bit, so we're in this position. Here's 1 and 2 and 3. You got that dotted rhythm. Hopefully by now you're not having problems with dotted rhythms. I hope. If you are, then I encourage you to go back through and do the book again. Just review everything. You end up a phrase in the last measure, so lift up before you go on. And then in the second line, it's a 5 on that. So you played it with a 4, now you can do a 5. So starting at the last two notes in the first line, it's here, then going on there. That's the hardest part about the melody. The left hand's just got the chords. These are the main chords. The F chord, the B flat chord, the C7 chord. So keep the left hand soft, because you want to hear the right hand. Andante is a nice leisurely pace. So, then the second one at the bottom of the page, they simply switch the hands around, and now the left hand gets the melody. And watch this, the fourth finger on the 8th note, because we need the thumb for the D. 1 and 2 and 3. And then the right hand gets the chords. Simple enough? Let's play these two things together. Bring out the melody wherever it is. What I'm going to do is we're going to count us in. I'm going to give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. We'll do 2 counts. We play the first one, and then I count us in again. I'll give us 2 counts, and we'll play the second one, just for the exercise of playing it. I'm not doing any dynamics or anything. I'm just playing the notes. You can put in the dynamics on your own. So go ahead and put your hands where they go for the first one. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Off. Second one, 2 counts. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.